There are mainly two big reasons your product isn't selling on Walmart. First, your product might be amazing, but it's in the third page. Who's gonna find it? No one. That means no visibility, no traffic, and no sales. Second, even if your product is showing up, shoppers might be clicking but not buying. That means your product detail page isn't strong enough to turn those views into actual purchases. The good news is both of these problems can be fixed, and I'm gonna share exactly how to do that step by step. Let's start with the first one, ranking higher on Walmart search results. Let's say you sell coffee mugs. Now the goal is to be visible, and for that you need to be on the first page, because let's be real, no one's even going to page 2. So appearing on the first page is crucial, and to get there, your listing need to be properly optimized. And that all starts with keyword research. For keyword research, use tools like Helium 10, WallySmarter, DataSpark, or WalScout. They help you find high volume keywords, analyze competition, and identify what's trending on Walmart. Helium 10 research. If I show you from the Helium 10, first, just select Walmart as your marketplace, then type in your competitor's identifier. You can add up to 10 at a time. Next, hit Get Keywords. And you get a full list showing search trends, rankings, which keywords are sponsored, and which one are performing organically. Now let's talk about another option, which is Magnet. This tool is great for finding relevant keywords. Pick your marketplace again. Type in something like vitamin supplement for man, and just like that, you'll see which keywords are trending and which one get the most search volume. That simple. Now another way to get keyword ideas is straight from Walmart's search bar. If you type something like vitamin supplement, you'll see suggestions popping. These are the most searched terms by real Walmart shoppers. So you can pick and use those high intent keywords directly from here too. Optimize your listing. You can take these keywords and use them in your title, description, backend search terms, and attributes to rank on Walmart. Optimize title. Let's start with the title. Put your main keywords in the title, but make sure you follow Walmart's title guidelines. I suggest your title should be clear and concise, ideally 50 to 75 characters, even though Walmart technically allows up to 200 characters. So be smart and selective with your keywords, avoid stuffing, focus on readability and relevance. Description and attributes. Now the product description is crucial for SEO indexing. Use your main and secondary keywords naturally throughout the text. Avoid generic phrases and make sure your description is at least 150 words long. Include 3 to 10 key features written in a clear and benefit-driven way. Now next is attributes. Attributes are basically the structured data that describes your product, like color, size, count, strength, material, etc. Walmart uses these attributes for filtering and navigation. So when buyers use filters, your product only appears if you fill that correctly. Let me show you. When buyers use filters on the left-hand side with specific attributes like count, strength, this varies product by product. Anyway, without proper attributes, product still shows up, but ranking and filtering visibility are significantly reduced. So you should specify all relevant attributes. Also, what you can do is check out your best-selling competitors' attributes to see most relevant that are used. For example, if I search for the supplement vitamin B12, now this one is our competitor. Now if I click on their listing to analyze how they add description, the attributes, seeing how they write the title and what kind of images they are adding here. They also have rich media, that is kind of Walmart A+ content. So studying bestseller competitors, we can get the idea how to optimize our own listing. Running ads. Now there are a couple of ways you can run ads. Let me show you. If I search for something, in this case, vitamin supplements again, the very first thing you see is on-site display ad. Right below, see this listing? These are the sponsor search, and if I go down a bit, here is sponsored video ads. Now let's see how we can advertise this inside the Walmart. We are in Seller Central. Now from the advertising, click Create Campaign, and there are 3 main campaign types: sponsored search, sponsored brand, and sponsored video. Let's break down Walmart ads in a simple way. Sponsored search is the easiest. Name your campaign and then pick automatic or manual targeting. Automatic is fine here. Set your start date, daily budget, and bidding strategy. You can see the other option, but I usually go dynamic. And then create an ad group, add your items, and hit launch campaign. That's it. Now comes to the sponsored brand. This is also similar, but here targeting is only manual. You cannot see any other option here. You still name the campaign, set budget and dates, create an ad group, but here you add a headline, brand name, logo, item list, and keywords. Then submit for review. Next, sponsored video works almost the same as sponsored brand. Set the budget, dates, ad groups, add one video, items, and keywords, then submit for review. So really all three goes with the same flow, but the differences is in the creative. Brand needs images and a logo. Video needs a video, and keyword drives your targeting and bidding. Alright, if you want more details on Walmart ad, we actually have a video on it. Link in the description below, go check this out. Optimizing main image and rich media. To get sales, your main image plays a crucial role. This is the first thing people notice. So here you can see they added the product in a white background, and unlike Amazon, they added this card showing some details about the product. You need to take eye-catching clear product image here, of course following the rules. These are the rules. Upload 4 professional high-resolution product images, recommended sizes 1000 by 1000 pixels. Background should be white. You also need to know the image policy. These are the file type requirement. So these are the guidelines. Go through this. I will give you the link in the description below. Alright, talking about the images, here is another thing, rich media. It's similar like Amazon A+ content. Basically, it's the enhanced content section where you can add rich images, detailed description, and comparison chart to make your listing stand out. Also, the text here is crawlable. You can add keywords here as well. So, using graphics not only makes your product look more professional, but also helps build trust and improve conversion rates. See this? This is called strikethrough rate. That means this item was sold at $9. Now it is $7. And this is an attention grabber. People feel urgency and they feel winning so that they do not miss that chance. And this kind of promotion can actually help better sales. Alright, to do that, go to Walmart Seller Central, now pricing, and then click on promotion. Next, click on create promotion. Now here you need to set up the strike through. First, select the type and then add promotion name. Now fill up the offer details section with value. Give a start and end date. Also start time and end time. After all done, click on create promotion. Yes, it's that simple, but super effective to get sales. Now that's not all. To get sales, your reviews and rating must be top notch. Think about it. When was the last time you bought something online without checking the review first? Exactly. Reviews are like social proof that tells buyers, yes, this product is worth it. Now the big question, how do you actually get reviews on Walmart? Simple. Deliver fast shipping, accurate product details, and solid customer service. Happy buyers will leave reviews. You can also request reviews through Walmart system. After a customer buys, Walmart automatically sends them an email asking for feedback. And here is a pro tip. Don't overpromise in your listing. If your product matches the description, you will naturally collect positive reviews. Now let's talk about the pricing, one of the biggest ranking factors on Walmart. The algorithm is obsessed with giving shoppers the best deal. It looks at your landed price. That means the product price plus shipping. So even if your product costs less but your shipping fee is higher, you could still lose visibility to a competitor offering a lower total price. So what can you do? First, keep an eye on your buy box. Only one seller gets the buy box at a time. And Walmart almost always give it to whoever offers the lowest landed price with solid fulfillment and good seller metrics. If you lose the buy box, your visibility drops instantly, even if your SEO is perfect. That's why you should recheck your pricing strategy regularly. Use repricing tools to stay competitive without cutting too deep into your profit. Consider enrolling in Walmart fulfillment service. Since Walmart handles storage, shipping, and returns, you usually get better shipping rates and a higher chance of winning the buy box. And here is a quick trick. Set psychological prices. $19.99 looks better than $20, even though it's basically the same. Small pricing details like that can actually boost click-through rate and conversions. And that's it. We just covered the key factor that decide whether your product ranks or disappears on Walmart. Keywords, attribute, pricing, fulfillment, and reviews. But hey, managing all these while running your business is tough. That's where we at Ecomclips come in. With over 15 years of e-commerce experience, we know exactly how to optimize, scale, and keep ahead of the competition. So don't wait, reach out us today at info@ecomclips.com and let us help you grow Walmart business faster and smarter.